Greetings and salutations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to CRAD. The other day we put the Bandai Grogu quarter scale model kit together for you. Today we are doing the 1/12 scale model that comes with that kit, so stay tuned.
CRAD.
Hi, everybody! Well, hello, everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. We put this little guy together the other day for you, and the kit that he comes with a little teeny tiny one in a pram. So today we're going to put that one together for you so you can see how it looks. So Fisher, definitely setting you to the side, because yeah, I'm gonna need all the hands I can get. Are you good with that?
I'm good with that.
Alright, little dude. Boop. We will see you in a little bit. So, yeah, a whole boatload of instructions with this, but this model kit came with all kinds of little pieces on these. So yeah, seriously, if you missed the first one where I put the bigger model together, go ahead and watch that one. But this one is the little one that we're putting together. Look at how teeny tiny that face is, guys, and his pram, and yeah, all of his fun details. So yeah, let's put this little dude together. So for the little guy, we're gonna start with his body, and it's pieces B16 and B17. So you're just gonna, they've got little pegs and holes in there, so you just wanna line it up and snap together his body, making sure that the top is with the top, the bottom's with the bottom. So that just snaps together really easy. Then we're going to do his arms. We've got B14 right here. And that is his right arm, I believe. And then B15 right here. That is his left arm. And then we're going to need his little teeny tiny hands. Look at how little these hands are, guys. So you'll need one of each of his hands there. These are so tiny, don't lose them. And then the arms, there's little holes underneath. There's a little peg on the hand. And you're just gonna put that up inside very carefully. This model might require like tweezers or something, but it's in there. Luckily I've got longer fingernails, so I can kind of shove stuff up in there if I need to, but if you don't, and you want to have a little bit of a better handle on it, maybe grab a pair of tweezers. But yeah, that hand is in there. So super tiny. And then you're just going to check them, make sure that you have the hand that you have on the correct side, and then they just snap into the sides of the body. This one's a lot less complicated than the other one, guys. So make sure I don't have his hands on backwards. Doesn't look like I do. They look correct to me. And then you have C4, which is a tiny little collar. Snap that off. And then that's just his collar that goes on the top of the body. Yep. And you just kind of work it around until it fits in there correctly. Check it, make sure he's okay, make sure his arms work. They do. These arms move as well, which is really cool. And then we're going to do the head. So you need A19, which is this little black piece here. I thought it was a white piece. I was like, where the heck is it? But there it is. I think that might be the color of his eyes. This one's really hard to get off, guys. Alright, A19 and A111, which is the back of his head. This one actually comes with the ears on it already, or at least the back of his ears. The front of his ears must be somewhere else. I think that's his teeny tiny little eyeballs. So that is going to fit on the little peg on this. And yeah, just slide in there. And then you're going to grab the front of his face, which is this little dude right here. Now I guess he does have the front of his ears, guys, but grabbing the front of his face, and you're just gonna snap his little face on there. Teeny tiny little Grogu head. And then this little here, circle in the square, and boom, we have a cute little Grogu. This one has no feeties because he's just gonna go sit in the pram. He's just gonna sit in the pram forever. Putting the pram together next. So we need A12, which is this little piece right here. and A18, which is this teeny tiny piece right here. There's a little like plus sign on the bottom there, and that piece is just gonna slide right in there so that you have something for Grogu to sit on inside the pram. I'm gonna check it, make sure it works. Make sure it's in there good. Perfect. Then you're gonna need A13, which is this one right here that looks like it's the little cover to the pram. It's got little pegs on the side and they're gonna slide into these little holes right here. Oh yeah, pram goes together super easy, guys. I love it. Then you're gonna need A1 5 and 6. Is that 5 and 6? Yep, 5 and 6. So then the bigger hole here on the bottom is gonna go over this peg here. And then the other peg is just gonna kind of sit in that open spot for right now. So that way the pram holds on and doesn't go flying off on you. And then you've got A1, which is this piece right here, which is the bottom of the pram. So this was the inside, and then this is the bottom. And then that piece just slides right into that top piece. And then you can take little Mr. Grogu. Remember, we put that in there, so he just sits right on top of that. He's in the pram. Whee! And then if you want to put the little case on to shut the pram up, just turn Grogu to his side. And then, yep, there we go. We've got a closed pram. It also comes with a base. A little clear base here for the pram, and the base is gonna go up underneath. And there, guys, is the little dude on the base. The only thing left to do then is to put the stickers on the pram so it looks like the pram from the show. But I just wanted to show you real quick how easy this one was to put together. And yeah, I love both the model and the little model. They are really super cute. And yeah, I think they are both totally rad. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, guys? We'll see ya later.